Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a closer look at the FireNova designed for iPhone 15 Pro Max case. This premium silicone case is not only designed to offer a non-slippery grip and easy handling, but it also comes with a soft microfiber lining that keeps your phone scratch-free. And the best part? It supports wireless charging, so no need to remove the case when it's time to power up. But that's not all. This case also comes with 2-pack 9H hardness 3D round edge military explosion proof tempered glass screen protectors. These protectors are easy to install, bubble-free, and offer hydrophobic and oleophobic coating to protect your screen from fingerprint marks and liquid residue. Plus, they maintain the original response sensitivity and ultra clarity of your screen. And let's not forget about the unique built-in camera cover that protects your iPhone 15 Pro Max camera lens from dust and damage. With precise cutouts for easy access to all ports and a design that matches the color of your camera, this case is not only functional but also stylish. And if all of that wasn't enough, FireNova offers a lifetime replacement for your iPhone 15 Pro Max silicone case. That's right, if there are any quality issues, you'll get a replacement, no questions asked. So, if you want to protect your iPhone 15 Pro Max in style, click the link in the description to get your hands on the FireNova designed for iPhone 15 Pro Max case today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.